In today's fast-paced world, convenience and smart technology are essential in the kitchen, and this Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker with Alexa compatibility is here to make home cooking easier than ever. With its cutting-edge features and Alexa integration, this slow cooker is perfect for busy families, professionals, and anyone who loves a home-cooked meal without the hassle. The Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker isn't just another slow cooker, it's a revolutionary kitchen tool that brings the magic of slow cooking into the digital age. Imagine being able to control your slow cooker from anywhere, using nothing but your voice. That's exactly what this Alexa-enabled Crock-Pot offers. Let's explore all the reasons why this product deserves a place in your kitchen. Key features. Gone are the days when you had to manually adjust the temperature or check on your food while it's cooking. With the Crock-Pot programmable slow cooker, simply connect your appliance to any Alexa-enabled device or the Alexa app and you're ready to go. You can ask Alexa to start or stop cooking, set cooking times, change temperature settings, check the cooking status, adjust the cook time from anywhere. This level of control makes it incredibly easy to manage your meals, even when you're busy doing other things. The Crock-Pot 6-quart slow cooker is the perfect size for large families, gatherings, or meal prepping for the week ahead. It comfortably serves 7 or more people, and you can easily cook a 6-pound roast, multiple chicken breasts, stews, soups, and more. The size is versatile, offering plenty of space for hearty meals, and is ideal for meal prep or making leftovers for later. One of the standout features of the Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker is the ability to program and monitor your meal from anywhere, using the Alexa app or any Alexa-enabled device. Whether you're at work, running errands, or in another room, you can program the cook time from 30 minutes to 20 hours. Adjust settings to high, low, or warm. Track your meal's progress with a simple voice command like, "Alexa, when will my crock-pot be done?" This level of remote control ensures that you can stay on top of your meal, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Cooking at the right temperature is essential for slow cooking, and the Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker makes it easy to manage. With just a voice command, you can set the cooker to high, low, or warm depending on your needs. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can always ensure your meal is cooked to perfection, giving you peace of mind. Cleaning after cooking can sometimes be a hassle, but not with this slow cooker. The Crock-Pot 6-quart features dishwasher-safe oval stoneware and a glass lid, making cleanup quick and easy. The polished stainless steel exterior is also easy to wipe down, ensuring that your appliance stays looking brand new with minimal effort. The sleek stainless steel exterior with cool touch handles not only adds a modern, professional look to your kitchen, but also ensures safety when handling the appliance. The design is durable and built to last, with an integrated cord storage feature that keeps your kitchen organized. Whether you're juggling a busy work schedule, managing a family, or simply prefer the convenience of slow cooking without the monitoring, this crock-pot is the perfect solution. You can get your meal started in the morning, adjust settings during the day, and have a hot, flavorful meal ready when you're home, all without having to lift a finger. Why the Crock-Pot 6-quart programmable slow cooker stands out? Hands-free cooking. The integration with Alexa allows you to cook your meals using only your voice. This convenience saves you time and effort, making your meal preparation seamless and stress-free. Remote control and monitoring. You can control your slow cooker from virtually anywhere, making it ideal for busy people who need flexibility. No more worrying about whether you set the right temperature or how much longer the food will take to cook. Perfect for families and meal prepping. The 6-quart capacity is just right for preparing meals for large families or batch cooking for the week ahead. Easy cleanup. With dishwasher-safe components, cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. Stylish and durable, the stainless steel exterior not only looks great, but is also built to last. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.